Good afternoon, dear children. How are you all? Everybody doing well? Our first term is successfully over. Today we can start our second term portions. Are you ready? Our first chapter is our water resources. Our water resources. In the first page, you can see some missing letters. Look at the textbook. First question. Mumbai faces this sea. Which sea? That you can find out and write. You already studied that. Second one, the largest river of South India is also called Dakshin Ganga. The largest river of South India, it is also known as Dakshin Ganga. Which river it is? It is Godavari. Okay, Godavari. Third one, the lake in Odisha is famous for migratory birds. A lake in Odisha. That lake is famous for migratory birds. What is migratory? The birds that fly from one place to another. ദേശാടന പക്ഷികൾ. ദേശാടന പക്ഷികളുടെ പേരിൽ ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ലേക്ക്. Which lake it is? Chilka Lake. Okay. Now let us look the chapter about water resources. Water is very essential for our survival, isn't it? Water is very essential. What is essential? Very urgent. അത്യാവശ്യം. Everybody need water. Not only human beings but also animals, birds, plants, etc. also need water for their survival. We need water to drink, cook food, wash clothes, bath, etc. Farmers need water to grow crops. Okay. Next, let us look the sources of water. From where we get water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. There are many sources of water. The first and main source of water is rain. It is the main source of fresh water. What is fresh water? It is not salty. Other seawater is salty. Rainwater is not salty. It is fresh water. Farmers depend upon rainwater for their crops. For growing crops, farmers depend upon rain. Second one, groundwater. The rain that falls seeps into the ground. While the rain falls, some water seeps into the ground. മഴ പെയ്യുമ്പം കുറച്ച് വെള്ളം ഗ്രൗണ്ടിലേക്ക് മണ്ണിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങും. This water is called as groundwater. One of the example is well water. അല്ലേ? Next one, ponds. Pond. What is pond? An area of water surrounded by land is called a pond. An area of water surrounded by land is called a pond. Kolam. That everybody know. The lake is bigger than a pond. The large ponds are called lake. Rainwater collect in ponds and lakes. Next one is rivers. There are two types of rivers. Some rivers are originating from mountain and others are originating from plateaus. The rivers that originate in the mountains get water from the melting of snow and rain. They carry water throughout the year. These rivers never dry up. In that river, there is always water. The second one is the rivers that originate from plateaus. They get water only from rain. They almost dry up during the summer season. In the summer season, this type of river will dry up. Okay. Next one is seas and oceans. Most of the water on the earth is in the seas and oceans. Okay, sea and ocean. But this water is salty, so we cannot use it. Most of the water on the earth is in the seas and oceans, but it is salt water, so we can't use it. Okay, you can read the textbook properly and we can write 2 question answers. First one, why is water essential for life? What is the answer? It is, we need water to drink, cook food, wash clothes and do many other things. Farmers need water to grow crops. Second question, list 5 sources of water. These are the first one, rain, groundwater, ponds and lakes, rivers and seas and oceans. These are the 5 sources of water that you can write in the notebook. Read the textbook and write these question answers in the notebook and study well. Okay, thank you.